Nestled on Lake Harding, the original home, now owned by Jody and Morgan Waldrop, was built on the property in 1945. The home was first purchased by Jody's father in 1967, and it instantly became the family's getaway cabin. Memories of warm summer days and quality time out on the lake filled the property to this day. Not only did Jody grow up visiting the lake, but her husband Morgan also had fond childhood memories of sunny days on the water. With Lake Harding always being a huge part of the Waldrops' lives, Jody and her own family decided to move from Columbus to live permanently on the lake in 2018. Wanting a home more fit for a permanent living, the Waldrops began a complete teardown and rebuild on the original property of the family cabin in October of 2018. Working with architect Jack Jenkins to carry out the project, the owners were able to incorporate some design wishes, such as emulating the wraparound porch of the original cabin. Contractor Scott Pearson also aided in making this custom home come to life with his outstanding building work. After finally completing the project, the Waldrops moved into their brand new space in March of 2020. Not only have the Waldrops fallen in love with their home, but they have also fallen in love with the community that surrounds them. With boat rides, water sports, and gorgeous sunsets right in the backyard, this modern farmhouse is truly a dream home. From the inviting landscape done by Ray Crocker to the charming interior design done by Beth Bedoin with Beeline Studio, the warm beauty of this house effortlessly flows in and out of each doorway. Adding to the farmhouse look of the Waldrop home, plantation shutters by Mitch Gore with the Blind Factory create a timeless appeal. Wanting to add local touches throughout the home, the Waldrops highlight the work of artists from the surrounding area, including Vicki Bush, Aaron Gregory, Shelley Helms Fleischman, Katie Jacobson, Julianne David, and Wheezy from Atlanta. One of Jody's personal favorite works, showcased in the home, is done by Emio out of Tennessee. This gorgeous piece is a commissioned painting of her father's 1958 Century Coronado, a boat Jody and her sister still own and cherish.